Hi friends, myself K. Sudarshanacharya. Today we are going to discuss about quadratic equation. In that, nature of roots of quadratic equation. So, the roots of quadratic equation. First, standard form of quadratic equation we know very well. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Where a is not equal to 0, b comma c belongs to real numbers. Okay, so the roots of this quadratic equation x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. It is formula to find the roots of quadratic equation. Here the roots depends on what this value. The roots of quadratic equation depends on this value. This b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. Here this b square minus 4ac called as discriminant. It is called as discriminant. Okay. So here the roots, it is denoted by delta or d. So now the roots depends on this discriminant. Roots depends on this discriminant. So here the discriminant delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. The roots depends on delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Here to say the nature of roots, that based on we have to discuss about based on this discriminant. So here the first if delta is greater than 0, delta is greater than 0 means it's nothing but delta b square minus 4ac if greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. See here, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. In that x is equal to minus b by 2a plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So when it is greater than, means positive, greater than 0, then roots are what? Will get two roots. That two roots are distinct roots. One is minus b by 2a plus root b square minus 4ac by 2a, and the second one is minus b by 2a minus root b square minus b by 2a. Will get two distinct roots. Then roots are real and distinct. Okay. Now the second case, if delta is equal to 0, means nothing but what? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. B square minus 4ac equal to 0 means in this condition will be 0. This is 0 means this 0 by something 0. 0 by something 0 means minus b by 2a will get. Minus b by 2a plus or minus 0 means minus b by 2a minus b by 2a. So the same term, same roots will get. So that's why in this case, then the roots are real and equal. So now the third one, if delta is greater than 0, means b square minus nothing but b square minus 4ac, sorry, less than 0, then that means what? B square minus 4ac less than 0. Less than means it's a what? Negative numbers. What? Radicand contain negative numbers. When radicand is negative number, then that is nothing but what? That is nothing but complex imaginary roots. Okay, so in that imaginary roots nothing but we can't get a real number. So that's why based on that we can say that then the roots are not what? Imaginary. Roots are imaginary roots. Imaginary roots are, we have to write not real or imaginary. So in examination, if they ask what about the nature of roots, what if ABC belongs to or what about nature of quadratic equation. So if in that, if third condition is exists, we should write only not real or imaginary. Don't write that what complex numbers. So in 10th class up to real numbers only we are discussing to getting marks. So just write not real or imaginary. Once you see, taking one example, how to say that, how to find the nature of roots by using these conditions. Taking one example. Now see, find the nature of roots of x square plus 5x plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so here how can find? Take a is equal to, comparing this ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 8. Okay. Now delta discriminant b square minus 4ac. Find this value. B square means 5 whole square minus 4 into A means 1, C means 8. Now 5 5s are 25, 4 8s are 32. So here minus 7. It is less than 0. So less than 0 means, therefore the roots are imaginary. Roots are imaginary. Okay. So roots are imaginary or not real because it's a less than 0. Discriminant less than 0. See, taking one more example, another. So find the roots, nature of roots x square plus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. And see how can what type of roots we are getting here. See, so delta is equal to, before that A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 4. Okay, so now delta is equal to d square minus 4ac. That is nothing but d square means 5 square minus 4 into A means 1, C means 4. Now 25 minus 4 is 16. Here 9 greater than 0. 9 greater than 0 means, so here we are getting what? Distinct roots and real and distinct roots. Therefore roots are real and distinct. Real and roots are real and distinct. Okay. So next, suppose one more condition, the equal roots. Taking one example. Now, example, find the nature of roots of x square minus plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. 4 is equal to 0. So now see here, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 4. Now delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac is equal to, b means here 4 square minus 4 into A means 1, C means 4. 4 square means 16, 4 is 16. 16 minus 16, 0. Therefore, what roots are? Roots are real and equal. Real and equal. Okay. So like this, we can say the nature of roots of quadratic equation by using discriminant of the formula x is equal to minus b plus r minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. If you like this class, you have to click the like button and give one subscribe. Okay, and encourage me. Thank you.